What is up? Welcome to another software engineering concepts that about Python development and also for interviews, Python developer interviews. So in this video, we are going to talk about the final decorator in Python. At final decorator is a powerful type hinting feature introduced in Python 3.8 through PEP 591, available in the typing module. It serves as a clear indicator that certain classes or methods should not be extended or overwritten. While Python's dynamic nature doesn't enforce these restrictions at runtime, static type checkers like MyPy will flag violations during code analysis, helping developers to catch design violations before they become problems. And this decorator represents an important step in Python's evolution toward more explicit API design, allowing library authors to clearly communicate their intentions about class inheritance and method overriding. So we have some sample code with using at final with classes, and then also at final with methods. You can pause the video at this point so that you can give it a try up. These are examples we made specially for our viewers, so do well to we keep it not in the description because we want you to become a better Python programmer one day. So we expect that you type this into your IDE, whether it's PyCharm, VS Code, whichever one you have, so that you can experiment with this. This actually helps to enforce API design contracts by preventing accidental inheritance that might break internal assumptions, and also protecting critical security implementations from being overridden, communicating design intent more clearly to other developers, and also enabling better static analysis. Remember that the final is a static type hint. It doesn't actually enforce restrictions at runtime, but works with tools like MyPy, Pyrite, and also PyCharm's type checker. Okay, so take note of this. Thank you for watching this video. This is I out the General.